How to recycle small size waste plastic, such as boxes of plastic bottle performs. We designed and manufactured this SM series plastic crushing machine with Gaylord tipping system, which is specially used for crushing this type of plastic. From the beginning is the hydraulic Gaylord tipper. Waste plastic material collected in the carton will be put on this tipper, lifted up and dumped to the next machine. This tipper is controlled by a hydraulic system, which saves manpower and power consumption. Then plastic material is loaded by the conveyor belt to the crusher. Semi-auto metal detector is also installed on the conveyor belt to detect if metal inside the material and automatically stop the belt after worker takes out the metal, then start it again. Then we come to the main part, plastic crusher machine. With special roller structure and heavy-duty pulley, it is mainly used for crushing plastic bottles, buckets, hollow plastic containers, injection hard plastic, etc. Plastic material after crushing is brought to the silo for collection. We arrange one set of magnetic box ferrization on the silo to remove the iron ferrocell from the final plastic material. Plastic after crushing into small size can be further recycled in use. The final plastic size can be customized according to your requirement.